goodness, Jimmy Choo on sale and so many beautiful Nordstrom arrivals. So let's get into it. Hey guys, it's Christina. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a bunch of new arrivals at Nordstrom plus a Jimmy Choo sale. If you are not following me on Instagram at Christinabtv, you need to be following me because I always share when I find designer items on sale, and I got these Jimmy Choo shoes for 40% off, and I shared a bunch of links of a bunch of different ones that went on sale, including my mules, my embellished mules, which are gorgeous. Those went on sale in a couple different colors. So yes, you guys, we love a designer sale. So I wanted to share with you some new arrivals that I just picked up. I'm super excited about them. I love getting new dresses for summer, and these are all pretty affordable. And I do have some items from Revolve as well that I'm going to share with you. But this first dress, oh my gosh, this is the cutest dress. It's like a midi dress. I love the colors. It's like this baby purpley blue with pink. So fun, so flattering. It's just like very versatile. You can dress it up, dress it down. I love this. So cute. This type of dress looks good on so many different body shapes. It's just really flattering because it has that cinched waist, but then the material is just really flowy. So I have a couple of events of this summer where I needed something a little more formal, and I love this one. It's a really good price, so flattering, so cute. This is just the cutest, perfect dress. I feel like Nordstrom nails it in the dress department. They always have the best dresses, right? Everybody I feel like agrees with that. If you ever need a dress, Nordstrom is the place to go. This is gonna look amazing. I feel like it's so good for any event you may have this summer, and the material is really soft and comfortable to manage that summer heat. Okay, this dress is a showstopper. It's like a mini dress, but it has this really pretty ruching, so it makes it really flattering and kind of sexy, and I just really like it. I like the colors a lot. It's a lot of black and white with a little bit of green in there, and it is so cute. This also would make a great dress for an event, and I feel like this one is better if you want to be like a little bit sexier. The other one that I showed you was a little more conservative, but this one is so cute. Okay guys, do not be scared to shop at Revolve. I feel like people are a little intimidated by them because their stuff can be quite expensive, but I feel like there is a lot of brands on there that are the same price as the brands you love at Nordstrom, and AFRN is one of them. This dress, oh my gosh. Does this not scream summer to you? And this is the same price you would pay for a dress at Nordstrom. Nordstrom actually carries this brand as well. But what I love about Revolve is I feel like they have a ton of inventory, and things tend to sell out on Nordstrom really, really quickly. And I feel like stuff on Revolve stays in stock longer. So that is my tip to you. If you can't find it on Nordstrom, check Revolve. But if you don't like Revolve, I am about to convert you with these dresses. This is the prettiest dress if you are going on vacation. I needed a little bit of a vacation dress for July, and I was like, yes, this is it. This is so cute. All right, now this dress is a little bit more of a splurge, but this is the type of dress that you can have in your wardrobe literally for the rest of your life. It is like so classy. It is this white t-shirt dress, but it's like drapey, and you tie it in the front. It is so chic looking, and I love the material of it. It's like a thicker, nice material, so you feel like you are definitely getting your money's worth with it. It's not like a cheap, thin material, which in white dresses, I do not like that because they just become unflattering and see-through, and this one is just really well made. Like I said, this one's a little more of a splurge, but the type of dress and style that will never ever go out of style, and this is like the perfect summer white dress. All right, so let's talk about Jimmy Choo. These are the shoes I found on sale, which I shared with you guys on Instagram, and I'm super excited about them. They are the Azia sandals, but these are the ones with the PVC, so I just love these. It's got that sleek black like heel, the patent leather, but then the PVC on top kind of almost makes it look like you have nothing on top of your foot, and I just love this. This is such a comfortable shoe. Jimmy Choo crushes it when it comes to comfort. I find them to be one of the most comfortable designer shoes out there. And you know, I love buying Jimmy Choo, especially when it's on sale. So this is a very popular style right now, the Azia heels. They have a bunch of different colors. But yeah, Nordstrom had them on sale. So hopefully you can still get your hands on some of them. I'll leave it in my description box, the link if you are looking for them. But my best tip to you is just follow me on Instagram, because I always share things like right when I get them on stories, or like right when there's a sale, I try to post it so that you guys can get your hands on it, because by the time I get the item and I film it and I put it on YouTube, things can sell out. But just a tip. So if you guys love Nordstrom videos, I'm going to leave another one right here for you, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.